Have you ever wondered how you can protect and pass down your wealth to future generations, especially in times of economic uncertainty? Well, if you're like many retirees, you've probably heard the term Gold IRA floating around. But here's the thing, what's really behind this strategy? And is it the right choice for you? Stay tuned because by the end of this video, I'll be revealing something that can change how you think about protecting your wealth for generations. But first, let's look at why this is so important today. Right now, the economy is in a constant state of flux. Inflation continues to rise, the stock market is unpredictable, and banks are under increasing pressure. Meanwhile, many Americans, especially retirees, are watching their savings lose value year after year. According to recent reports, inflation has outpaced wage growth for months now, leaving many families worried about their financial security in the long term. But what if there was a way to shield your wealth from all of this? What if you could safeguard your retirement savings for not just yourself, but for your children and grandchildren too? This is where a gold IRA comes in. Now you might be asking, why gold? Well, throughout history, gold has been one of the few assets that holds its value, even when the economy falters. Unlike stocks or real estate, gold isn't subject to the same market swings or inflationary pressures. It's a reliable store of value, especially when times are tough. If you've worked hard to build up your IRA or 401k, you deserve to know your wealth will last, no matter what happens next in the economy. And the best part? A gold IRA is one of the most effective ways to protect that wealth for future generations. But don't just take my word for it. Let's break this down. Right now, more and more retirees are discovering the power of gold IRAs, particularly because they help avoid the risks that come with traditional investments. Think about it. With the market constantly shifting, would you feel more secure if a portion of your savings were protected by something stable, like gold? Here's the catch, though. This strategy isn't for everyone. Some people find themselves thinking about diversifying with gold, but then hesitate when they realize how many scams are out there. Gold investment companies can often try to upsell you or push overpriced products. That's exactly why you need to be careful and choose the right service to help you diversify. And that brings me to something important. If you're serious about protecting your wealth from market volatility and inflation and ensuring it lasts for the next generation, then you need to take action. That's why I'm offering you a free Gold IRA guide, along with a no-obligation educational call to discuss your retirement situation. This isn't a sales pitch. It's a chance for you to get expert advice on how to make sure your hard-earned savings are safe and growing. But remember, this free guide and consultation are only for those who are serious about protecting their wealth. We'll only help you if it truly makes sense to diversify with a Gold IRA. No gimmicks, no pressure. You won't be pushed into anything, and you'll have the freedom to make your own decisions after the call. So, here's the secret I promised. When you schedule your consultation, you'll not only learn how a Gold IRA can protect your wealth in these uncertain times, you'll also discover the best way to pass down that wealth to your loved ones. Imagine being able to leave a legacy of financial security for your children, grandchildren, and even great-grandchildren. Isn't that the kind of wealth you want to leave behind? This is your opportunity to make sure your hard work doesn't just disappear into the wind. Take the first step today. Download the free Gold IRA guide and book your consultation call. Protect your wealth for yourself, your family, and the generations to come.